watched my previous video, I explained everything you need to know about data analysis from that of beginners level to the advanced level. So I explained everything you need to know about data analysis. So in this video, what I'm going to present us is how we are going to analyze our data. In this our series concerning data analysis, we are going to make use of Pandas in Python programming. Pandas is a library in Python programming, and we provide with all the tools we need to use to analyze our data. And data we are going to make use of is going to be stored in form of CSV file, which stands for comma separated values. I've talked about file extension in my previous video. The link will be in the description down below in case if you are interested in learning about the actual file extension. So I'm going to make use of these pandas to analyze a particular data that is currently available on my system, which has to do with market stock data. So a shop got their data from just like a generated type of data. We're going to analyze this data by making use of pandas. I see a whole lot of other ways we can try to analyze data. Here must make use of pandas. This I make use of pandas because I know how to make use of pandas to analyze these data. We can try to make use of maybe your spreadsheet to analyze data. You can make use of pen and paper because that's just basically the simplest way to analyze the data. You can make use of your pen and paper to follow up on data, but just that the data we are dealing with in our current world now has to do with a huge amount of data. So trying to make use of pen and pencil to analyze this type of data can be time consuming and can be a little bit stressful. So I'm going to make use of pandas to analyze this. Like I said, it's not most of make use of pandas, but make use of pandas tend to provide us every necessity that we need to analyze data. I also incorporate it with that of the NumPy because pandas was actually giving birth to NumPy. Sorry, NumPy gave birth to that of the pandas, but pandas tend to structure data in the human readable format, unlike that of the NumPy. But let's leave that of the NumPy aside. Let's focus on the pandas we are going to make use of. Pandas tend to be make things a little bit easier for us to that of the manipulation of data, structuring, presenting our data to our machine. And we know that after this our pandas data, after this of our data analysis, this data we are done analyzing, we are going to move it to that of our machine learning algorithms for it to be able to predict some things for us. So after this video, next video I'm going to explain what pandas is, how we can make use of pandas. Then after that I'm going to go to the installation of pandas. Then after that I'm going to present data we are going to analyze and make use of pandas. And from there we'll kick off the analysis of data. And the analysis of data is going to be start from that of beginners level to advanced level to that of advanced level. It's going to be from beginner, intermediate to advanced level. So if you're interested in learning pandas, how pandas work, interested in data analysis, interested in how to structure your data, how to present your data in the right way, then this video is basically for you. This series is basically for you. So I'll be happy to see you throughout this data analysis series. So I'll be happy to see you. Subscribing shouldn't be a problem. So this should be it for this video. Thank you for watching.